Hey everybody, today we are in Hingham, Massachusetts at a park called World's End. I'm going to take you along for the walk and show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. So far so good, very pretty, very green, right here by the water's edge. You can see the whole bay up here, but very cool. Having a good time. It's a good walk. How's the walk going for you, Fiona?
It's lovely.
Lovely, indeed. It's a beautiful day. Just glad to be out. This breeze feels magical and cooling. What a wonderful walk. Highly recommend this, folks. Path to choose, left or right? Looks like we're going right. We got a man down, Kid Scout in the backpack. Put her in the backpack for safety. We're making some adjustments. It's a very hot day today, up in the 90s, so happy to pick up the slack and help our team member make it to the end. I mean, it is marathon weekend, so that's what it's all about. Stronger together, right? Mm-hmm. We are almost back at the beginning, which is pretty great. It was a wonderful, pleasant walk. Beautiful meadow. That's a meadow.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are, headed back over the bridge after a successful hike around World's End. It's a beautiful day for a hike, and we are back here at the Welcome Center. Hope you guys liked the video today. If you did, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, like, or smash the bell, or leave a comment below. I'd love to get your feedback on what you guys think of this place. So until next time, safe travels.